Hello everyone. So today we are doing something with building block. So you can show them how to make a easy dog is like you'll just take two blocks like this for the body and this is for the face. Here's a dog sitting. You can tell them like that. This is a dog sitting. If you have stickers, eye stickers, you can put over here eye stickers, or if you don't have, then you can probably use permanent marker for one block to make just the face of the dog, and then every time they're making a dog they'll use the same block. Okay, and then you can probably show them this kind of a dog. So the body of the dog, the neck of the dog, the face of the dog, and then you would just put single dog block for the legs of the dog. Here's your dog ready. Okay, fine. Now with the same concept, we'll make a giraffe. Okay, so we just have to give the giraffe longer neck, longer legs, and a face. So with the same single blocks, we put a neck over here, long neck. Okay, we're gonna put two legs, single ones, to make little taller but not longer than the neck. Okay, it should be smaller than the neck. Okay, then we are putting a face over here. All right, so this is the body of the giraffe, these are the legs of the giraffe, this is the neck of the giraffe, and this is the face for the giraffe with two horns. You want, you can put two eyes. You don't want, you can leave it like that. Okay, giraffe is ready. So let's see how we can make this bridge or arch. Okay, so we'll start with the fours. Okay, 4 blocks, one side tower, the other side tower, stacking up tall, and then just connecting from both the sides. Okay, so this is your arch, and here's the car. Done. Here's your bridge. This is the water that a child's creativity would come up with. Okay, and the car is going above the bridge. Okay, so here's a fort. You don't need much for this. You just need a tower like this, one tower and the other tower onto the other side. Stack it up like this and give a effect of the fort. Okay, so now we'll see how we can make a bed like this. Okay, another bed like this. We'll put a pillow over here. We'll put a pillow over here. Bed. You can connect it to make a bigger bed. Here's your stairs. Single one, then two of the same size, and then three of the same size. So small, big, and big becomes the stairs. Okay, stairs is ready. So here's a throne. A king or a queen will sit on this, right? So let's see how do we make this. So we put this over here. Okay, we put this on the other side, one, and this one over here. Okay, and if you put only this, it won't look like a throne, so that's why we are putting one more over here, 3-layered, and then we put a backrest. Okay, nice. The throne is ready. Yay. Here's another bridge. Nice, easy and nice, right? I don't even have to explain anything in this. Small bridge, baby bridge.
These are stairs. Jump, 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 jump. We are doing stairs, skiing, boating.
Wow, lovely. So now here's a farm in the making with a kitty cat and a giddy goat. If you have more animals, you can add those animals as well to make it look nicer. You can make different animals. You can even make trees with the blocks. Okay, try and help your children make new stuff with the old blocks. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.